Meowie. Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shady.
What's up, guys?
Here at the SEMA Show 2024 in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
In the Mutoh America booth.
Again.
For like the 7th or 8th year in a row. We have a really cool project that we're showcasing. We are revealing our Creatures of the Night wide body charger wrap. There's some really spectacular visual 3D effects that are going on with this vehicle that are just over the top, like never been done before as far as I've seen. So we're really proud of this project. We've gotten a huge positive reaction. People are really just like blown away and tripping out over this design. So it's been so awesome to be here.
Most people are asking, like, how was it printed? Like, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, they're like, how do you even?
It's all in the design.
Yeah.
It's literally all in the design.
So if you guys recall, a couple of years ago, we did a We Are Venom wrap with Curvaceous Wraps and Tyler Kirkham. And it was a really cool like Venom design printed on 3M carbon fiber. And we did this charger a few years ago for our client Lucy from Texas. Same car, completely different vibe swap.
Different wide body, everything. So.
She did a lot of upgrades in the last couple of years. So we actually teamed up with, one of our favorite designers, Glarb Designs over in Florida. He's absolutely amazing. And I actually pitched this idea to him like 8 months ago. And he was like, I don't know if we can do it, but like, let's go for it.
We're gonna try it.
It was the same thing with Mutoh. I pitched it to them and they're like, we don't know how that's gonna work, but like, let's just try it. And so, we took it and we ran with it. And one thing that I think that we always really do is like, we wanna push the envelope with wrap. We want to raise the bar with what you can do with vinyl. Yeah. And the only way you can do that is by trying new things and taking those risks. And I think this risk paid off. Yeah. And I'm like just really proud of this car. It's like my dream child. So it's very unique here at the SEMA Show. You see a lot of masculine designs and classic car designs and really cool custom paint jobs, but there's not a lot of stuff that's feminine based.
This is just straight up art. This is a piece of art on this car. Yeah. It's very spiritualistic. It's very focused on nature, and the theme Creatures of the Night, we wanted to focus on nocturnal animals, some of those things that people might not necessarily like or see the beauty in. So there's like bees, there's bats, there's cats, there's foxes, there's owls. Like there's just a lot of really cool, really detailed art in this design. The colors honestly are my favorite. He just killed it with the colors. Like they're almost like a neon.
Yeah, they look like they're neon fluorescent.
And that's because it's printed on reflective, so it gives it that nice glow.
Yeah, so the design itself is what creates the 3D effect that we have going on, and there's over 500 layers of design in this car, which is insane.
It's like an onion.
It's an onion with layers. Ogres are like layers, onions have layers. Sorry, sidetrack. So we actually printed this on Orafol 5600 RA, which is a reflective film. We laminated it with a 290 matte finish. So it kind of has like this really nice like velvety feel.
It feels nice.
It feels very nice.
It actually covered a lot of imperfections.
Yeah, if you guys know, like reflective is very hard to work with, very difficult. It can make bruising easily, that kind of stuff.
Well, even just in the vehicle too.
Absolutely, there's a lot of issues with the paint as well. Yeah. The vibe that it kind of gave me doing this velvety finish was like, this design's almost like Avatar / Lisa Frank. If you guys are like 90s kids, there used to be like those velvety posters that you could like color in.
Those were awesome.
Yeah, that's like what this car is. Just don't color on it.
Don't color on it.
So aside from it being actually reflective, it's also black light reactive. So all the purples and greens and pinks.
It looks really cool.
They pop out with a black light. So we definitely need a shoot for that.
Yeah.
And then the coolest effect, we need to come over to the other side of the vehicle. So we've got these 3D glasses, and you can see we have these lights set up here. And what these do these are RGB lights, so they're gonna cycle through red, blues, greens, purples. And if you put on the glasses, or even if you don't wear the glasses, it's actually light reactive 3D. So you can sit down and watch this design change. Different colors are gonna pop out. The animals are actually gonna kind of move, and it's kind of just a total trip.
You know, so it's really impressive.
The lights in here because it's so bright. But
right.
At night when you turn off everything kind of moves around this car really cool.
Everything. And the design is completely different on each side. You know, on the front and back, there's nothing repetitive about it. So it's really fun to just sit here on the carpet and just watch this car like turn to life. And we're super proud of it, and we're super honored to be a part of it. You know, we also did some cool things like the purple window tint, the chrome window tint. We did some headlight and taillight accents. We actually made the headlights into some monster eyes. I'll have to get you a shot of that. But it's just really over the top. It's really unique and out there, and it was really fun to do.
Super fun.
So yeah, check it out. We hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching our episode on the Creatures of the Night Light-Reactive 3D reflective wrap here at the SEMA Show 2024. We love you to the moon and back. And if you want to see our SEMA adventures, make sure to check out that episode as well. And we'll see you guys soon.
Have a good one.